We are ready for contestant number 8. From New Orleans, Louisiana, under the direction of Mary Beth McMurray, Crescent City Sound Chorus.
Come and dine.